Welcome to Health Kalp. A nutritious breakfast is essential for maintaining energy levels and setting the right tone for the day. In this video, we'll discuss the top 8 morning foods you should eat every day to kickstart your day with a healthy boost. These foods are popular choices, packed with nutrients to fuel your body, and easy to incorporate into your breakfast routine. Number 1. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a wholesome and fiber-rich breakfast choice. It's made from whole oats, which provides slow-releasing energy that keeps you full for hours. Rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber, it supports heart health and helps in maintaining cholesterol levels. Add fresh fruits, nuts, and a dash of honey to enhance its nutritional profile. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our Health Kalp channel for more health tips and nutritious recipes. Number 2. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse, making it a great option to start your day. It has twice the protein of regular yogurt, plus probiotics for gut health. Top it with berries, nuts, or chia seeds for a delicious, balanced meal that supports digestion and immunity. Number 3. Eggs. Eggs are among the most nutritious foods on the planet. They're rich in high-quality protein, vitamins like B12, and minerals such as selenium. Whether scrambled, boiled, or made into an omelet, they provide a satisfying and versatile base for a variety of breakfast dishes. Including eggs in your morning meal can help build muscle and keep you feeling full longer. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They are low in calories and high in essential nutrients that support heart health and fight inflammation. Add them to your yogurt, oatmeal, or enjoy them on their own. Avocado toast has become a breakfast staple in the United States. Avocados are a great source of healthy fats, potassium, and fiber. When spread over whole grain toast, this combo offers a balanced meal with complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and protein, making it perfect for sustained energy and focus. Smoothies are a convenient way to pack several morning superfoods into one glass. Blend together fruits like bananas, berries, or spinach with Greek yogurt or milk for a refreshing breakfast drink. Adding chia seeds or flax seeds gives you extra fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Nuts like almonds and walnuts, or nut butters such as peanut butter, are rich in healthy fats, protein, and magnesium. They keep you full and satisfied, making them ideal for a morning snack or topping for toast or oatmeal. A handful of nuts or a spoonful of nut butter can make a big difference in keeping mid-morning hunger at bay. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses packed with omega-3s, fiber, and protein. Chia seed pudding is an easy, make-ahead breakfast that can be topped with fruits, nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. This nutrient-dense dish supports heart health, energy levels, and hydration. If you found these morning food ideas helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Health Kalp for more healthy living tips and delicious recipes. Eating a balanced breakfast every day can have a big impact on your overall health. Incorporate these top 8 morning foods into your daily routine to fuel your day and improve your well-being. Choose the options that suit your taste and lifestyle, and watch how your energy and focus improve throughout the day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Health Kalp for more health tips and nutritious recipes. Stay healthy and energized.